Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a stunning revelation that the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, paid close to $4 million to a woman who was identified as a helper on behalf of a consultant at the institution. That revelation came in Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, where CMU President Professor Fritz Pinnock appeared again today. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
A bombshell announcement at the PAAC, but first, context. Gail Campbell-Dunwell, a diaspora network marketer at the CMU, has been formally raising money for the school since January 2018. To get paid for the job done, she submitted invoices totaling roughly $15.5 million. $11.6 million of the amount has been paid directly to Campbell-Dunwell, but the remainder, almost $3.9 million, was paid to another person.
Who is Doreen Miller?
We got instructions for a few invoices to be paid on an account for Doreen Miller, sir. That was on the instruction on the invoice.
From who gave you those instructions?
Mrs. Dunwell.
Chairman, if my memory serves me well, in media reports, this Doreen Miller was someone employed to the minister, the then minister.
Oh, in what capacity? It was
household helper to my...
Oh, there.
Chairman.
Oh, there.
9 payments were made to Doreen Miller from February to September 2018. The consultant, Mrs. Campbell-Dunwell, who authorized the payment, has also been employed as an international donor consultant with the National Education Trust, which falls under the Education Ministry. Next issue, at the May 29 sitting of the PAAC, CMU President Fritz Pinnock said Mrs. Campbell-Dunwell gets back the money spent for travel, conferences and functions. But PAAC member Mikhail Phillips pointed out that her contract states she should be paid $155,000.
That is the maximum. That is the life of the contract.
For
yes,
2 years?
Yes, sir.
So you would have paid out $114,000 of that within the first year of her contract?
Yes, sir.
And with all the controversy involving the CMU, Mr. Phillips called for the intervention of the Prime Minister, who is also responsible for the Education Ministry.
It is a messy affair at the CMU. And I, for one, as a committee member, have no confidence in the information that has been provided to me that it is so. And it seems like it was a free-for-all for all that is involved. If I were the minister, Professor Pinnock and the treasurer and the chairman seems to be complicit with all of this, should go on leave until this is dealt with. And I'm not taking back what I said.
Your soapbox is busting.
Because we need to preserve the credibility of CMU.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.